Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Navjot Talks. Before you watch this video, I just want to say thanks to all of you for supporting my channel a lot. I know I haven't posted videos for about a year now, and I really apologize for that. I'll be posting so many videos now because the weather is really good. I can go out and make some videos. In this video I'm gonna give you some information regarding the evidence of practice or the safe practice, because recently I was just going through the comments and I saw that one of the comment was regarding this, so I thought I should make a specific video just mentioning about this particular section so that all of you can just have the information. So whenever you apply for any category like RN or RPN in Canada, there is a list of requirements which you have to meet in order to get your license to work as a nurse here. One of the requirement is the evidence of practice or the safe practice, we can say. Let's say you are from India and you have met all the other requirements and this one is pending. You are a registered nurse and a midwife in India, but when you apply here, they ask you to provide an evidence of practice. So you need two documents. One is from the employer and the other one is from the regulatory body, like in the Punjab, it's PNRC. So if you're from Punjab, the regulatory body which issues your registration number is PNRC. So you have to ask PNRC to issue a copy that should be signed and stamped from directly from the PNRC and directly from your employer. You don't have to be a mediator between both the bodies. You can only just sign and then give the document to the PNRC and the employer just to fill out the information and seal it and stamp it and put signature, whatever. But you can do like that you just get the information from them, and you're just getting the document from them and then sending it to CNO. That will not be considered. The document should be directly from all the documents, whatever they are they're asking you, they need to be submitted directly to the CNO or to the regulatory body, whatever. Because I talk mostly about CNO because I am in Ontario, so I have the information about the CNO. But keep in mind, all the regulatory bodies in which province you are living, they have a specific body. All of the regulatory bodies will demand the certificates coming directly from the organizations, like your college, your employer, and your registration body. So to meet the evidence of practice, you can do two things. Either you can go and pick up some colleges and courses here in Canada. That will be really time consuming, and I don't know if most of the nurses can do it or not. But the other option is you can go back to your country, because if the evidence of practice is expired already, the validity is only 3 years, so you can go back to your own country and practice there one more time.